Hello friends, I am Torit Mato and welcome to Art and Purulia. In the last video of this series of watercolors, we have seen how we could easily make beautiful textures using various techniques and tools. Continuing with the same series, today we'll see how to easily paint some of the features that we use in a landscape. This is the first part of the similar concept. Today we'll see how we can use simple tools like an old credit card to scrap and create beautiful effects. We'll also see how we use simple techniques to introduce figures. First we'll paint some rocks. Start off with yellow ochre. Splash them all over the paper. Then a little bit of raw umber. Again splash them on the paper. Plenty of water. Don't use manufactured black. Manufactured black, what we get with the paint set, turns out to be quite flat on the paper. So try and mix black which don't look flat on the paper. Mix blue with burnt sienna to make a nice dark color which is almost like black. Green and burnt sienna also makes good black. Now take an old credit card and scrap it in shape of almost squares. Use one side of the card. Leave a little bit of gap in between the squares that will give the illusion of shadow. Now little bit of blue and raw umber mix again. Splash it. Now just use the corner of the card and scratch in horizontal lines. If you want to cover it with stones on top, make some vertical lines. Now we'll make a mountain scene and use the same credit card to scrap out some paint. Ultramarine blue and a touch of burnt sienna. Apply a wash. Now pick up some paint using the brush to make clouds we have seen in the last video. Now again mix ultramarine blue and burnt sienna to make a darker shade, almost like black, but not as flat as black. Make two peaks. Again a deeper mix, apply in front of them. Now back to our credit card. Scratch the hills to give a form. One side you can make it lighter. Now mix green and burnt sienna and make some vertical trees using a flat brush, reducing the height as they go away. Then with the corner of the brush, paint the foliage. You can also make a good seascape with sailboats with a bit of rough sea easily by the same scrapping method. Now we'll see how we can paint a perfect sunset scene. Take some yellow ochre and lots of water, then some light red, then a mix of light red and ultramarine blue. Now, once the wash and streaks are applied, wrap a coin with a kitchen towel and dab it. You will get a perfect sun. Now take a stronger mix of light red and blue and add some streaks. Now add some trees using the side of the brush and a dark green and umber mix. A little bit of yellow ochre for the foreground. Now we'll see how to add figures into a landscape. Easy way is to add people who are walking away from you. Make P and Y. P and Y makes beautiful upper body and lower body. Two full stops which resemble the heads. P under the right one. Make Y to suggest the legs. Y will have one short leg and one longer leg. To show a dog also walking along, you can paint a small square with even tiny square on top, one of the corner to depict the head, and then maybe two lines as legs and one curved line as the tail. If you want to make a cow, it's very simple. Again, you just use the triangles. One triangle, inverted one, and the second one just opposite side. Another triangle in front, and another small one sticking out which resembles the head. And join the two triangles earlier drawn to depict the belly. And just give some shading of black. This will look like a cow from far. You can also add sheep grazing in a meadow simply by drawing a half oval and a curve and adding some dark paint to show the head and the shadow of the belly, and some light yellow ochre for the body. Now that's all for today's video. In the next video, we'll see how we can paint various types of trees and also some of the other landscape features and some more painting tips. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe. See you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, please consider subscribing and share with your friends who may have similar interests. Bye.